If there is a noise problem when using the air conditioner, please follow the steps below to ensure that your air conditioner becomes normal quickly. Cause summary. There may be the following reasons for the high noise of the air conditioner. 1. Front panel is loose. 2. The filter is dirty. 3. Thermal expansion and contraction in the heating mode. 4. Friction sound of guide plate rotation. 5. The remote control wind speed setting too high. 6. Compressor frequency increasing sound of inverter air conditioner. Solution. First, check if the indoor front panel is fixed in place. Otherwise, it is necessary to adjust and fix them in place. Turn off the air conditioner. Open the indoor front panel to check the filter. If it hasn't been cleaned for a long time, it will accumulate a lot of dust, resulting in water leakage in air conditioning. The filter can be cleaned by running water and brush. After the filter is dry, install it in place and fix the front panel in place. Please refer to the video How to Clean Air Filter for the specific cleaning process. It is recommended to clean the air filter every 15 days. Please confirm if it is the sound of the pee-pee papa in heating mode. This is a phenomenon of thermal expansion and contraction of plastic parts, which is normal. Please confirm if it is the sound of the guide plate when it rotates. This is a sound of friction between the guide plate and plastic parts when it rotates, which is normal. Please check the wind speed of the remote control. If the setting is high speed, the noise can be reduced by reducing wind speed. Inverter air conditioners will produce howling when the frequency is increased. This is a normal phenomenon because the frequency of inverter air conditioner compressor changes with the room temperature. Therefore, the frequency and operational sound will decrease when the air conditioner has been working for a while and indoor temperature has been lowered. If the above instructions still fail to solve the problem, please contact our higher customer service.